Welcome to the project demonstration of patient health monitoring system on a laptop through serial monitor continuously. And here the patient health parameters, nothing but we are monitoring the mainly heart rate Spo2 from this MAX 30102 sensor and the temperature from this MLX90614 infrared sensor, which is accurate sensor one, and this is the BP, so blood pressure. So these parameters continuously monitored on one serial monitor, and next we are going to get the ECG around 10 milliseconds of duration ECG plotting in another serial plotter. So serial monitor for this heart rate, SpO2 and systolic diastolic BP and temperature, and another serial plotter for ECG. So all these are interfaced to the two independent Arduinos. One is for our monitoring the sensors data of ECG, and this one is to monitor the sensors data of MAX 30102 as well as temperature sensor and the BP module. And the components wise, as we discussed, this one is a BP sensor module amplifier, means converter IC to this one, and AD823 to ECG module, MAX 30102 MLX90614. This one is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply. As our BP module required more power, so as a laptop can't drive the power to pump the air to the hand. So for the purpose, we are making use of the external power supply from this adapter, which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So initially on the power supply to this one and connect this. So this is required. Any version of this one, so better go with advanced version. This is a version 2.35. 2.3.5 is for monitoring the serial monitoring. So connect this and now open the tools and check with the communication number, as only one device connected. So that's why we are going to get the number of 29. Connect that and go to the serial monitor, and the data will be streaming into this one. Right. So here this light should get switched on. If it is not getting switched on, we need to on the power supply to this also, because as the total power distributed parallelly from this breadboard. See, for example, again I'm showing that clearly. Now just on the power supply, this light has to be get switched on. That's a very important thing. Then only the data can be plotted from this. Otherwise, connect all the 3 power supplies: USB 1, USB 2 and main power supply. Now connect this over here. So it will be auto connected, and we can see the data is streaming over here. You can see that temperature is coming now. So I'm placing the finger over here. Right. Okay. So the SpO2 data got captured and temperature. Now I'm removing the finger from the temperature sensor. Right. You can see the temperature got dropped as it's showing the low. So I'm showing again, placing that on this one, and the temperature is raised. And coming to the BP mounted, so wrist mount, good. Yeah. After mounting that, we need to select this on off button. Right, small beep is nothing but pumping the air to this one. If is there any error occurred while taking the samples reading, then it will provide us the beep. That beep indicates heartbeat. So for accurate, we are capturing the BP along with heartbeat from this module. Right. Okay. And same details will be pushing to here. Right now, we can see that the captured values. Again, we are doing the same process. Pump it. These are the previous values. Now wait till the live values will be coming. Right, you can see the values got changed as the values for the differs. Okay, so based on our body position and all, you can see the memory also values. Right. Second. Okay. And coming to the ECG. So now move that, and we have connected this already, and open this ECG in the lowest version for easy plotting. There's 1.8.57 Arduino version, and in that same tools, check with, as we have connected to this port as 29, and this one is our 18th port for Arduino Uno. Tools, serial plotter. Yeah, so here the mounting should be, so you can see the R for right hand side and R right hand side, the yellow L is the left side. Right, so wait till the nearby ECG value should be coming. Right, so when we mount the ECG electrodes properly, the continuous reading should be come. Chapel this now. Chapel this is now. Chapel. పెట్టుకో. గాల్లో పెట్టు. ఎయిర్లో పెట్టుకో. So we are providing these are the use and throw electrodes, so we are putting the extra electrodes also. Right. So now we are going to get the nearby ECG values. So only the thing is we should mount them properly. These electrodes plays major role while we are getting the ECG signal. Right. Thank you.